Welcome to Choice Champions. The best computer repair kit is probably one of the most essential investments a tech enthusiast or a professional troubleshooter can make, offering a comprehensive solution to tackle a wide array of hardware issues that plague our digital companions, from loose connections to component replacements, ensuring that your devices are always in optimal working condition and minimizing downtime. Number 5. JOREST 40 PCS Precision Screwdriver Set. This is a 40-piece precision screwdriver set designed for a wide range of electronic repairs. It includes a variety of bits and specialized tools to tackle intricate tasks. The screwdriver handle features a locking design for secure bit changes and a comfortable, anti-slip grip. Its bits are crafted from high-quality S2 steel for enhanced durability and precision. It's perfectly suited for repairing smartphones like iPhones and Android devices, featuring specific bits for their unique screw types. This set is also excellent for working on gaming consoles such as PlayStation and Xbox, as well as various laptop brands, ensuring you have the right tool for every screw. Beyond phones and computers, it's great for repairing tablets, smartwatches, glasses, and even home electronics like doorbells. The kit comes with helpful accessories like spudgers, tweezers, a suction cup, and a cleaning brush to assist in disassembly and cleaning during repairs. What we like. This set offers an extensive collection of 40 pieces, ensuring you have the right tool for almost any electronic device. The S2 steel bits provide superior durability and precision for intricate tasks. If you frequently work with a wide variety of electronics, from phones and game consoles to laptops and even smart home devices, this comprehensive kit is an excellent choice for its versatility. What people say. The kit includes a variety of magnetic screwdriver bits, which are very useful for handling tiny screws. The included pry tools are sturdy and effective for opening electronic devices without causing damage. Comes with a convenient carrying case that keeps all the tools organized and portable. Number 4. STREBITO Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing a comprehensive precision screwdriver set designed for all your repair and DIY needs. It comes with 120 bits and 22 practical accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of electronic devices. Experience a comfortable and efficient repair process with its ergonomic handle and swivel top. The magnetic bit holder and flexible extension shaft help you tackle even the most challenging repairs with ease. Keep your workspace tidy and your tiny screws organized with the included magnetic mat. The magnetizer-demagnetizer tool ensures optimal magnetism for handling screws without damaging sensitive electronics. All the tools are neatly stored in a durable, shockproof Oxford bag with clear labeling for quick identification. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Crafted from high-quality chromium vanadium steel, these precision bits are built for durability. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. With an impressive 120 bits, this kit is designed to handle virtually any repair scenario you can imagine. The included magnetic mat is a game-changer for keeping tiny screws organized and preventing loss. If you're a professional or a serious hobbyist who tackles complex repairs and values efficiency and organization, this extensive set with its helpful accessories will streamline your workflow. What people say. This kit has all the essential tools for computer repair. The screwdrivers are magnetic and make it easy to handle small screws. Comes with a variety of bits to fit different types of screws. Number 3. MULWARK 6 PCS Magnetic Mini Screwdriver Set. Introducing a professional set of precision tools, engineered for the most delicate repairs. This compact kit is perfect for intricate tasks on glasses, watches, and jewelry. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these tools are built to withstand extensive use. They are ideal for eyeglass repairs and other micro-sized projects. Never lose a tiny screw again. Our tools feature ultra-strong magnetic tips that securely grip even the smallest screws, ensuring a hassle-free repair experience. Experience superior precision with our ergonomic handles. Designed with aircraft-grade aluminum and diamond knurling, they offer a non-slip grip for maximum control, even in challenging conditions. This comprehensive 6-piece kit includes a variety of slotted and Phillips screwdrivers, including a PH00 tip specifically calibrated for electronics. It's the set professionals trust for all their repair needs. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included crush-resistant case. It's perfect for on-the-go repairs, ensuring you always have the right tool at hand. What we like. This is a highly specialized, compact set perfect for delicate tasks. Its focus on precision for items like eyeglasses, watches, and small electronics makes it incredibly convenient. If your primary need is for quick, precise repairs on small, high-value items where a full toolkit is overkill, this minimalist and durable set is the ideal solution. What people say. This kit has all the necessary tools for computer repair, including screwdrivers, spudgers, and tweezers. The magnetic tips on the screwdrivers are very helpful for handling small screws. The included case keeps all the tools organized and protected. Number 2. SHARDEN 49-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the ultimate tool for all your electronic repairs. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle everything from phones and laptops to gaming consoles and glasses. It includes 24 double-ended bits made from high-quality CRV steel, ensuring hardness and wear resistance. The magnetized tips securely hold tiny screws, making your repairs more precise and efficient. Experience a comfortable grip with the ergonomic, non-slip handle. The 360 degrees rotating swivel cap allows for smooth, controlled operation, reducing hand fatigue during long repair sessions. Keep all your bits organized and accessible with the compact, lightweight case. Clearly labeled sizes ensure you can quickly find the right tool, whether you're at home or on the go. This set comes with SHARDEN's lifetime warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're here to provide troubleshooting assistance, replacements, or refunds if you encounter any issues. What we like. This 49-in-1 set strikes a great balance between comprehensiveness and portability. The durable CRV steel bits ensure longevity, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around repair kit for common electronics like phones, laptops, and gaming consoles, and appreciate a comfortable grip for longer repair sessions, this is a solid option. What people say. This kit has all the necessary tools for computer repair. The tools are made of good quality material and feel durable. It comes with a variety of bits that fit most screws. Number 1. Wesdut 52-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This comprehensive 52-piece set is designed to meet all your electronic repair needs. It includes everything you need for disassembly, cleaning, and maintenance of various small devices. Crafted from premium PHA material, our pry tools and casing are exceptionally durable and resistant to breakage. This ensures they can withstand frequent use for all your home and DIY repair projects. Experience unparalleled precision with our S2 alloy steel bits, designed for a stable and secure fit. Their superior hardness and wear resistance make them ideal for intricate repair work. Never lose a tiny screw again thanks to the strong magnetic tips that hold multiple screws securely. You can even adjust the magnetic strength for optimal performance during delicate repairs. Our screwdriver features a comfortable, non-slip grip designed to fit any hand size perfectly. The 360 degrees rotating end cap allows for effortless operation, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Save time and energy with this all-inclusive kit. It's the perfect tool for opening phone shells, cleaning computer fans, and repairing a wide range of small electronic devices. What we like. This kit boasts a high piece count and features super durable S2 alloy bits, known for their superior performance. The adjustable magnetism is a standout feature, allowing you to control the magnetic strength for different tasks. If you prioritize durability and advanced features like adjustable magnetism for precise handling of tiny screws, especially for frequent or demanding DIY electronics repair, this set is a top contender. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for anyone who tinkers with electronics. It has all the essential tools for opening up laptops, consoles, and other gadgets without causing damage. The variety of bits included is impressive, covering almost every screw size I've encountered. The magnetic tips are a game changer, making it easy to handle tiny screws. The build quality of the tools feels solid and durable. The handles are comfortable to grip, even during extended use, and the case keeps everything organized and accessible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.